Okay, so here are all the parts completed. Let's put it together and see how this kit looks. We will begin with the legs. There goes the left, and there goes the right. Goes into place like so. Then we're going to take the head, put this one here. Followed by the right and left arm. Ooh, it came off. I don't know if that was right or not. Hold on. Alright. Here goes the left arm. And then put in the torso to the waist, like so. Look like that. And then the piece de resistance, I'm assuming it's this way. Yeah. Hold on, I gotta see the angle here. And it's the other way around. So that will be like that. Huh. Am I looking at this? Yeah, it's over here. Oh, that's right. That goes there. Then we have armored arms and one. Oh, really? Didn't think you would come off that quick. Well, that one came off from there. So this one will go here. Let me see if I can put this back on. Yeah, there we go. At least I can see it in the clear part. Alright, let's try that again. I'll put the other part in a few moments. So that one goes there. Like so. And then the other one will go here. Like so. And let's finish up the tail by putting on that little part that came off. And there we go. Oh, you don't want to stay too. Okay. There we go. There we go. Alright, now we got everything fine. Now we got everything cool. Just give me a second while I adjust the camera. Alright, there you have it. The 1/44 scale Gundam Phenex Unit 3 from the narrative version is now complete. Let me just adjust the camera a bit further back so you guys can see the whole thing of a bob. There we go. So yeah, that is a nice looking kit. It's very nice. It's just little issues there here and there. And by the way, I did find the parts for this, the parts for this. This here, if I was able to find, and it was around here somewhere. So it's only a matter of time to get it. I'm actually kind of happy that I built this as a straight build and not as a custom build, because like I said, originally when this came out, I was actually considering of painting it, but I think I would have had a nightmare, a little bit of a nightmare with the tail. And then some parts would probably would have been glued. It's not as sturdy as you could say. It is posable. You can probably get some good posability here. And if you put a stand on, yeah, you could make it look like it's flying. Do a scene where, well, now you could do. I can do the scene now from the episode, or from the scene that was only shown on YouTube, with it against the narrative APAC Gundam. But it's very nice. I do agree with it. This is actually my first Phenex, and I don't see myself buying another Phenex. But yeah, looks good. It's good. It's nice. It's a unicorn, just a different head and all that stuff. So if you guys are a big, stupidly big fan of the Phenex, especially the narrative version, do not buy this. This is only a novelty. This is just a nice little fad, something, something, an eye candy type thing. If you want to really be serious, just get yourself the regular one. It's I think relatively cheaper than this. If you want to get your hands on the plated version, be my guest. But get the regular one and go to town with it. Do something different with it. It is a beautiful looking kit, how it is, and yeah, I kind of dig it. It's very nice, very nice. Now, this kit came with other parts, the beam magnum and the shield, and I mentioned it before. I don't know if I did, but I'll mention it again. I kind of don't think this is necessary for this kit yet. It is in the anime, but I decided not to give it to it. I think I'm going to use it for another build that I just thought of recently. I'll surprise you down. It's going to happen this year, so I'm not going to build a beam magnum. That's going to be extra for another kit. Also, just want to make sure I want to show you some other kits that I have with the, that this is. I think this is actually my fourth high grade kit that I've built from the Unicorn line. The first one was this one, the Banshee. Actually, no, that's wrong. That's my second one. This is the red Banshee that I made a long time ago. Followed by the first Unicorn, which was the regular normal mode of the Unicorn. Right here. And then I do remember that this is not the only clear kit that I purchased from a Unicorn line. Here's the theatrical version, the mechanical version of the Unicorn that I actually bought at Comic-Con as well. There we go. I think 4 high-grade kits of the Unicorn is enough for me. Enough. No more. No more. Yeah, it's nice. It's cool. It's nice and cool, but I don't see myself buying another one yet. And I just realized that, oh no, this actually was kind of cool when I built it. Didn't realize it until now. It's like neat, very neat. Also, there was a picture online that I saw of the Phenex of this clear type. Somebody stuck it inside a computer in regular, like a custom PC, where you can actually see the inside, and with all the neon lights inside, it shimmered and glowed up, and I said, oh, that's ingenious for somebody to do something like that. That's understandable. For something like this, who's a fan of the Unicorn, who's a fan of the clear type, do some interesting things with it. But don't think of it's going to be for a competition and all that stuff. This is just for fun and eye candy. But if you by any chance do see this at a store and at a reasonable price, I'm not going to deny you. Pick it up. Just, it's a little difficult, looking at clear parts. And I don't see myself buying another clear kit anytime soon. Unless something really catches my eye. But other than that, clear parts is not something you would like to, mess around with if you wish. But that's my opinion. You guys can do whatever you want. But it is a good kit. It is the same mold, as you could see here. I think I'm kind of done with unicorns now. Oh, no, that's not completely true because I still have 2 more kits that I would like to fucking finish. Anyway, that's it. That's my first straight build for 2018. Why did I say 18? 2019. I'm still in the mode of like writing my, the date 2018 and 2019. It's a common habit that everybody goes through. But anyway, my first straight build for 2019. It's very nice. Get it if you want, or get the original. I'd like to thank everyone for watching this, and stay tuned for more Gundam models yet to come. You guys all have a great day.